The five people have been questioned, statement have been taken, FIR have been filed, and on that day also the DC has ordered magisterial inquiry, and SDRF have been rushed on the 31st itself, including the SRT of Fire and Service of Maclear Police. Place, it is very deep, about more than 500 feet. And yesterday, I visited the place, me and the Honorable Minister Revenue and Disaster Management and the IG Law and Order. And yesterday they have already fixed the motor for the crane. And yesterday itself, the SRDF have go down into the pit and they find that the water level is 152 feet. And yesterday, three motor have been taken there to fit so that they could pump the water. The general set also have reached there. And yesterday evening, NDRF also have been rushed to that area. And yesterday, the owner of that mine surrendered to the police. His name is Shining Khan from Sutngan. We are waiting only for to arrest the sordar, the contractor of the labor, because till now is absconding. Mission rescue. I may tell frankly, it is whether we could recover the body or not. But with this rain, it is raining heavily. It is very, very difficult. I hope, let's hope that they could do, but frankly speaking, it is very, very difficult. You see, SDRF, there are 15 of them, and also the SRT of Fire and Service are already there yesterday. And yesterday at 9 in the evening, the NDRF was supposed to reach. So I didn't get information till now that whether how many of them have reached there. But the government is all out to see how to do this operation. So let us wait and watch.
I want to make it very clear that from the government side, any kind of illegal activities will not be allowed. Now, we have to realize that there is a huge system that we work with. Even though there are laws that are meant to stop people from doing many illegal things happen. And like as I said, whether it's a law to stop people from murdering other people, the law is there, but murders do take place. And the law is there precisely to ensure that action is taken against those who break that law. So therefore, appropriate action as per law will be taken against those people who are involved in this. All efforts continuously have been made from the government side to ensure that no illegal activities take place. But as I mentioned, that it could take place. There could be incidents. And yes, we've seen, unfortunately, that in some areas that this happened. But from the government side, we are very firm, very clear that none of these illegal activities will be allowed, and anybody involved in such activities, strict action as per law will be taken against them. We have seen that this particular mine, from all the reports that's come to us, was an abandoned mine. From the initial reports that are coming into us was that there was some kind of activities which looked like they were looking at the options of starting the mining out there. So it was technically an abandoned mine, and if you look at the surroundings of the place also, you can clearly see that it was an abandoned place. What was the purpose of them going in there? We don't know, but we can presume that it was with the intention of starting some kind of a mine. But again, it's something that is not very clear. Also, the rescue operations, of course, is something that is important. We have to ensure that every citizen of this country is protected, and we have to do whatever we can from our side to ensure that we can bring them out safely. Weather has played a very difficult situation for us because of the rains. We hope that with the rain stopping in, we hope that there will be some kind of scope for us to be able to work. We have asked the NDRF. I requested the Home Minister to personally go and visit the site, which he has done, and to personally monitor this entire situation, which he has been doing. And the NDRF also will be reviewing this, is also already on its way, perhaps already reached. So all steps and all measures will be taken to ensure that we can get them alive, and we'll do our best and hope that we are able to save these lives.